Right, these are the formation lights. The idea being that when you've got a group of aircraft together, they need to be in a set position behind each one. So from the inboard out, you've got a red one, a green one, and then an amber one. So if the pilot can see the red one, he's too far in. If you can see the amber one, he's too far out. If you see the green one, he's just in the right place. And when I surveyed the aircraft just before Christmas, I noticed that the ones on this aircraft, although the fittings were there, they were all badly corroded, quite damaged. So I thought, well, maybe we could do something about that. So I approached Andrew and I said, look, why can't we replace these and get them working again? And I said, instead of using the original fittings, which we possibly can't get, we'll try and use something modern like LEDs, because they'll take less power and they'll be more or less bulletproof. And I explained to him that his would be the only Lancaster possibly in the world that had them working. He seemed quite keen. So I took the took the wingtip off and took the light fittings out and took them back to my workshop to dismantle them. And I've rebuilt them using the same external shell, but in there is an aluminium piece that I've turned down, and in that you can just see the LED lens, and they will be connected up. They're now wired through as far as behind engine number 2, and so when we finally finish wiring up the electrics on the aircraft, when the pilot flicks the switch, they will light up.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
On the starboard side?
When I get a chance, I'm going to go down the starboard side and do the same. But at the moment, there's a ground equipment in the way and I can't get to it. So
that's great, Sven. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's the Halifax.
I might see it next
Yeah.
week.
Interior, original.
Some of it,
Yeah.
not all of it.
No.
The bits and pieces like the stick, the rudder pedals and a lot of the other brackets and stuff, like these big brackets.
The flight engineer, whereabouts is this position? Because the pilot's sat high, isn't he?
Yeah, he stands up, he's behind the pilot on the other side of that bulkhead, facing backwards. And then this seat that's in this side, he could come out of there and come round and sit on that, fold the seat up and sit on there if he wanted. Bear in mind the floor isn't where the floor's supposed to be. The floor's supposed to be another, I guess, 3 feet further down. That's the base for the whole thing to sit.
4 levers behind his head, left, right of his head, the pilot's head, up the back.
I'm not sure yet, but I believe they're fuel coils.
Yeah. And the 4 ones that we can see, they're the engine controls.
That's the throttles.
Yeah.
The ones underneath that are the propeller control. Yeah. Back down. No, it's going to have to be the skin piece.
The top of the subframe is bolted on to the undercarriage support beam. And the bottom of the subframe is bolted to the bottom of the undercarriage support beam.
But
And these are the 4 engine bearer bolts.
they are, yeah. They're all exactly the same. Just under an inch.
Yeah, 0.875 is 7/8 of an inch, yes.
872.5.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Are you on the
Get the green, yeah. We're just about to remove the middle tank on the port wings, tank number 2. It holds 383 gallons of petrol. A gallon of petrol weighs about 7 pounds. So 7 times 383 works out at 2,681 pounds. That's just over a tonne. 2,240 pounds in a tonne, so it's over a tonne. There's 5 straps holding this tank in place, so each strap 5's into 2,681, the weight of 530 pounds. The straps are fastened together with turnbuckles, the diameter of thread of 3/8 of an inch. Quite amazing. Got some money. Nearly ready for it coming out altogether.
Slowly bit out the front. We're completely out of the front. You can see the rack in the building. Did you drop the separator down here? Yeah? Dave? Just going down here, one thing. Going down. There's one. Please go down.
The key's 21.
The key, which is
Yeah.
See if we can inch it forward. Forward again.
No.